Hey guys, it's Sandra, and this week we are back in the kitchen with some yummy summertime recipes that are quick and easy to make with minimal ingredients. So whether you fly solo, have a family, or are super picky, these recipes are some that everyone is going to enjoy, even the kiddos. And just so you know, it's got my daughter's picky seal of approval. They're delicious, healthy, a perfect summertime hydration. And if you have a sweet tooth, these recipes will hit the spot. Let's get started.
First up, Purple Dream. Get ready to dig into this deliciousness. Top off with coconut flakes, fresh blueberries, and enjoy. Next is the pink Pattaya Bliss. So good and one of my faves. I forgot to put the bananas in the freezer overnight so they weren't completely frozen, which is why I didn't add in the milk. But with frozen bananas, I would add in half cup of plant-based milk to get it going in the blender. Top off with coconut shreds, goji berries, hazelnut crumbles, fresh raspberries, and enjoy. For the hazelnut crumbles, all you need to do is ground a handful of raw hazelnuts in your food processor or high-speed blender of choice. And if you have coconut flakes, you can either just add those in or ground a handful up for some coconut shreds as well. Last but not least is my creamy mint chocolate chip. It's silky and so creamy, you're gonna wanna hog this one up yourself. Top off with cacao nibs, Go Raw Cocoa Crunch Sprouted Granola, crushed raw cashew nuts, and enjoy the yumminess.
So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below which recipe you enjoyed the most. Be sure to also hit the subscribe button and click the bell so that you can be notified each week when a new video has been uploaded. Until the next one, stay safe, be well, be kind, and keep aligning with your best self.